Alphaco bathroom trash can, 2.5 gallon waterproof motion sensor small bathroom trash can with lid, slim plastic narrow bedroom garbage can, white. Notice for customers. This product is a motion sensor trash can. Simple Human 4.5 litre, 1.2 gallon round bathroom step trash can, polished stainless steel. Strong steel pedal. Simple Human strong steel pedal is engineered to last over 150,000 steps. That's more than 20 steps a day for 20 years. mDesign metal 1.3 gallon / 5 litre round step trash wastebasket, garbage container bin with lid for bathroom, powder room, bedroom, kitchen, craft room, office, removable liner bucket, brushed / chrome. Enhance your decor. This trash can make sustain. Silent close lid. Simple Human's patented lid shocks technology controls the motion of the lid for a slow, silent close. Perfect for bathrooms, fits well in bathrooms or wherever space is limited. Customers need to install 2 AA batteries as well as follow the steps to put on the garbage bag to ensure the bin works properly. Then you need to press the button on the lid for more than 3 seconds to start it. The same operation